Hi, in this video we will override onTouchEvent. When tank is touched, we will create a bullet object, add to bullets array list and draw the moving bullets from onDraw. Get the touch points from MotionEvent object. Get the action from this object. If tank is touched and size of bullets array list is less than 4, create a new bullet object and add to bullets array list. So at a time there can be 4 bullets on the screen. Returning true in an onTouch event tells Android system that you already handled the touch event and no further handling is required. To move, draw and remove bullets, iterate through the bullets array list. When this condition is true, that is, when the bullet is visible and moving on the screen, decrement bullet y by bullet velocity. Draw the bullet on the canvas. When the bullet object goes above the top edge of the screen, remove from bullets array list. Run the app to check the output. Perfect. Next, we will try to detect collision between a bullet and balloons.